Ooh, you can see the blanket. Oh, man. Failure. I just knocked a picture off the wall. Yeah, man. Tournament day. You absolutely love tournament day, folks. Against the 17-13, we have to put on the Amigos glasses and take it seriously. I've kind of screwed up a couple of games. I don't know what's going on with me, man. I played a couple of like really shady moves, like that I knew were shady, and I was like, I don't care, and I'm trying to figure out why I did it. 2 different games. I don't mind losing, but when I play like a stupid move, like, oh, second exchange against a 1700, that'll be fun, with no compensation. You know what I'm saying? This is not the move. It's just like D4, right? Or is it simply development castle, folks? I think they're all good, folks. We're gonna play D4. And so I've got to get my head straight, guys. Isaiah says, what's the weather like down there? It was a freaking nightmare. Is this not smart? I think I've done this differently than I usually do. Yeah, attacking twice. I'm going to do this because this knight cannot annoy. Because it's over here in Looney Land, folks. And it also cannot defend this. So I could like play the bishop here. I could play bishop d3. Maybe not. He blocks his bishop. We come here. Now we don't get pinned. Absolutely happy with my position, folks. LD3 is an idea. No, it's not. Not yet. Not until he castles. But we want to castle. So bishop. Oh, man. What's he doing here? He wants to pin my knight. This guy. Thinking about switching cameras back, guys. The coffee camera is technically supposed to be a better camera, but I had it plugged into the wrong USB port. As you can tell, folks, I might be a little bit hyped up on coffee right now, man. I almost literally want to play A3 just so he will give me that bishop. It also keeps the knight out, guys. Makes a little hole in B3, but it doesn't look like anything that's going to cost us money. Or you know what? He might just take for free. Let's just run with it, guys. Absolutely, guys. Thank you, guys, man. And don't forget, we are doing Elden Ring After Dark immediately following, and our opponent made a blunder, giving us a slight advantage. He slipped. He's on his phone. He's 17-13. If a guy's 17-13 and he's making blunders like this, tells me he's probably rated 1850, and he screws up playing on his phone. Oh, man, I want to tell him sorry, brother. It needs to be changed to the Black Silk cam. Hey, man, if Folgers wants to get involved, I'll put their name on the cam. Nick Booth says, hi, Charlie. I subscribed to your YouTube video. Going to watch some of your videos on there later. Nick Booth, thank you. See, guys, be like Nick Booth. Nick Booth went to the YouTube, and he subscribed. It's free. It's not like subscribing here. It's like following, okay? YouTube. You guys know, I'm sure. And we have lots of chess content there. There's some other gaming content there, and I want to get that to the next level, guys. Our opponent is moving the same piece twice. You absolutely love to see it. The knight can come, right? Defending. He can push the pawn to threaten the knight, creating a weakness. A weaken S. Another idea is to kick the knight. Another idea is this move, but that drops my deal. So this might be a nice annoying little move. This could be the move. You know what? Grandmaster would be thinking castle. Nah, he has knight a5. You know what I'm saying? Knight a5. It's a move. Problem is, if I push, getting the knight takes, it gives him easy develop for his bishop. Well, wait, though. What about this move? And then if f6, hit the bishop, takes. You see where I'm going with this? c4 still drops, guys. This is a backward pawn on open file. Knight d5 is probably not a bad move. I can't look at chat right now because I've asked too much. I have asked too many questions, and you guys got answers. Peter DK55, the guy I'm playing, I said, sorry, brother, you on your phone? He said, yes. Queen D3 is an idea. Can my queen fall under attack from either of these silly little knights? It can't. Oh, no, but I can't take. Queen D3 doesn't help, guys. Knight back holds the pawn, but, you know, it's kind of anti what's happening here. This is where the knight goes. Pushing, it'll kind of lock the center up, man. Knight still could come to c4. Do I sack a pawn? I really have to find the right move here. I am then gonna not look at chat, and I'm gonna read some likes because I'm ignoring you guys. Lucas Escobar, thank you for the like. Brandon Johnson, love you, man. Anthony Quattro and Lucas Wood, thank you guys for all the likes. Can I threaten something? He's opening up his king. I'm playing 95, guys. I gotta move. One thing about me, I have to move. Nathan Tyler Watson is here. Love you, brother. I can get back to chat now because I have made the commitment, folks. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. Now I can do this. And then if takes. So this was the line I looked at, guys. Knight d5, probably c4. And the whole love of this idea was f6 and taking here and opening the king up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's a good move, guys. But the pawn's hanging, and then if knight d5, I play c4. We save the pawn. We kick the knight. Did we just blink, folks? Did we just blink? Looking. I don't know whose end that was on. Let's blame them. I hate to take responsibility for everything in my life. I like to blame other people. Yep, we looked at this line, and then we play here. Oh no, knight takes, pawn takes. Look at that. He doesn't have knight takes, pawn takes because this is going to be pinned. Takes, and this pawn is pinned. Saving the knight, right? He's like, oh, I'm not winning a piece. It's okay. Now, look at his king, guys. Look at his king. You make it a weakness, you get into trouble. Now I can bring the knight back to a nice square, and we have an open file opposing his weak king. Now, he wants to really, come up and, artificially castle somehow, but, man, I don't know, guys. Catching up now, guys, because that if I queen b3 might have been a move. The knight attacks it, right? This knight has been here the whole time. We can attack the knight. Guys. You know what I'm saying? I could play c6. I could attack the knight and connect the rooks like this. He came to a checking square, which is good. I wish I could, bring the queen up and threaten this. And threaten this. And then make him take, and then just, queen here is mate. But my bishop's in the way, guys. Oh, the thing I don't like about this is takes, and the queens come off. So I feel like this might be the move. Then he might play this move. And my knight's going to have to move. Maybe push. Pawn takes. You know what I'm saying? God, with this, guys, his king is cut off, man. His king is cut off, amigos. We don't sack the piece yet, guys. We don't sack the piece. This knight kind of is in the way over here. This knight right here is kind of in the way. Knight f3 is in the way. The knight's in the way. Counterattack. He push maybe. You know, and that threatens to really mess my stuff up, guys. And I don't want to take because then takes on my queen, right? This I don't like. Oh, yeah, well, pawn takes. Yeah, pawn takes, queen takes. Right? Okay, let's get some Canada moves going because I'm going to run out of time. I have to move, guys. I have to move. It's like, this is not probably the best move. But I looked, and I have to move. Because I have 5 minutes left. Hello, chillers. Save knight or you'll lose a pawn. I don't mind losing a pawn right now if I can get my stuff connected, man. If he, takes, I play rook over. I get the pawn back, and now the rook's on the same file as the queen. I've got rook here, He's just, yeah, good. I just traded a really crappy knight, to be honest, right? This is the line we just looked at, guys. Now he could play bishop. Bishop is probably the best move. Oh, no, I thought he was going to... Oh, he has this move. Okay. Let's just get him open, folks. I mean, this should be really good for me, guys. This is a move. Guys. This is probably the move. The clearance move, guys. Attacking his pawn with check. How's he going to defend it? How does he defend it, guys? Queen. Cool. Then I'll play takes. And, then I can play queen check. And he's cut off. You know what I'm saying? I probably will be able to get... Yeah. This is the move, guys. This is the move. Playing it. I got no time. Bishop h5 might be better than queen a4. Good to see you. Adam Freeman, Tournament Day. Save not your loose pawn. Yeah, losing pawn. This right here, I think if I play the correct attacking moves, and I think this was a good one, guys. This was a good move, I think. You like c6, Dave Joyce, huh? I'm real proud of myself for finding it. This has a threat, but he helps him. So we're going to do this. Now he could play b6. It's probably his best move. Probably his best move. I could take. He takes. He went that way. That's what we wanted, guys. That's what we wanted. I played it quick, guys. I had 4 minutes. I should have slowed down there, guys. He has only checking squares. And this is a move, but then like I should be able to check him and then take this, or no, check, and then I check this way, but then he comes here. I played this check quick, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I probably should have waited. I don't care about this pawn. I want him to take it, just lock it, just blocks his bishop more, you know what I'm saying? That is not the theme of the position, guys. Rook takes, oh, queen takes check. King h1 could threaten rook takes, queen takes, rook over. And mating on this square. Right. See the square, guys? You see the square? Rook f4 attacks this. And then we'll be all over this square. He probably develops a bishop. Take and hit the queen. This is an idea. No, he can't play queen takes. This might be the move, guys. Calm down. I got 4 minutes. Look at every check first, guys. This check. G6. Rook check. He resigned. He resigned because there's something here I didn't see, guys. He resigned because there's something here I didn't see. What did I not see, folks? What did I not see? Let me see if I could find... Maybe he just was like, I'm busted. Because he is. But I might not find it, guys, with 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to let you guys look at it for a second before I look at the answer. What do you guys think? This is a puzzle. This is puzzle of the day, folks. Tournament day. Queen g7. Oh, queen g7 is hanging. Queen g7 threatens. Oh, my God. How do I not see this move? We absolutely have to look at this game. Welcome to the analysis room, where we find out where we made bad moves, or we could have done better. There's a spot where he was slightly better, guys. I'm better the entire game, but there's a spot. There's a spot, guys. We're equal to right here. Then that's just not the move. Oh, you know why? Yeah, d5 is better, guys. d5 gaining space. Here is where he's better, guys. Right here, I had a good move, and I gave back the advantage with this move. What is better, folks? If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We do this every day. I say this every day. I do Elden Ring After Dark. It's coming up after the tournament. Right here, c4 is not the move, guys. Just queen d2. Wow. Oh, because I'm threatening... Wow. Look at that. Queen d2. Show the line. Takes. Push. Bang. Take that one. And again, he's just in trouble. Okay, so there's not a lot here, guys. There's not a lot here. We're going to let it play out the rest of the game. It doesn't tell me any great moves. King e8 is excellent. It's mate in 7, guys. That, yes, hangs the bishop. I saw that at the end. You were 1,000% correct. So in this position, guys, queen g7 is the move mates in 7. cb7 mates in 8. And bishop h5 check mates in 9. This is the line I would have played. g6 is what I expected. I think it's his only. Rook de1 check. That's the line I was going to play. Bishop e6 only. And then queen here. Yep, queen f6. That's the line I was going to play. Hitting the rook. King can't come up. Take this with check and get the queen. And queen takes c6 is the best move. Rook e6 check. King d7 is the best move. Yeah, because connect the rooks. And look at this. Bishop g4 is the mating move, man. Not to let his king get away, dude. Don't even take the queen. That is a pretty move. Either way, the point is, he was busted. Now, the move that you guys called, let's look at it. This move, guys. This move threatens a rook. It threatens this. This threatens the world. What does he do in this position? Bishop f5 is his best move. Rook f5. Giving up all the rooks, guys. And bishop h5 check as threatened by Dave Joyce. King d8. Start taking free rooks. Yeah, it's completely busted. What a great game, guys. Guys, we got a good first game today. You absolutely love to see it. We just had a good one, man, against 1700. I needed that.